Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop. Respawning. Okay. Go. Put this into set up an alibi. No doubt. Pop, 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 pop. Respawning. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. You can't eat it no more. Man, we need to start it again. Man, it was having fun. But you had to drop a ring pop. We have to start that thing all over again.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. You talk. We're not supposed to be talking. Yeah, we need a thing to tie it around her hand, around her head. Because I can't, like, take this anymore.
Take what?
Hold it in our hand, it hurts.
You need something to like tie it around?
Yeah. And I got a new name. The best war, the best Nerf gun war with no bullets.
Okay.
You got something that we can try to join around with?
Yeah.
All right, come on.